Okay, so a nice update on the LaFrance here. We've got the body back from the paint shop and it's looking absolutely fantastic, really pleased with it. And actually the colour choices really work well with the grey on grey. So we've also got the engine ready to start. So in a minute, we're going to connect a battery up to it and see if we can get it running for the first time. We've not completely finished the exhaust system, but we've put enough on. We've just lightly tacked together and mackled up an exhaust system so that we're not firing exhaust gases in our face. And then, yeah, we're going to prime it. We're going to put fuel in these priming cups. And we've got the ignition system here. We've got coil and mag, separate systems. So you switch one on, then the next, and then start button. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so we're about ready to start now. You're just connecting the fuel line up, I think, aren't you, Charles?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I've just got, and then we've got the coil and the mag. So there's twin ignition system on this. So we'll switch both of them on and turn it over when we're ready. You ready? All right. There we go. Very successful. That sounds amazing.